Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. If ever you've been to the healer for any assistance and things are not going accordingly, remember your situation the same way as you'll remember when somebody's sick at home. Sometimes when you call the ambulance doesn't come. Or the ambulance will promise to say, I'm coming. Or the ambulance doesn't come at all. Or you can't even get hold of the agent that are answering phone at the hospital. What do? You make means by taking the sick one or taking yourself, if you can, to the nearest hospital or to that hospital that you need help from. The same has happened if things are not going according to what you have been promised or according to your expectations. Zithuthe, zibambe, go to that person, sit down with them. However, two, what I want to raise here today, it's very embarrassing that we as South Africans, we are known of not appreciating. We are known of being so good here in promising when things are fine, I'll come back and help. I was told here in Jamaica, back in the days, people used to come here. As long as they afforded to come here, they would give them whatever that it was needed. And they will know they will come back and say thank you. But we don't. Whether you went to the healer, whether you went to Kokobatini Mbata on a program of 5 rand and you got that job, ngiyacela, make an effort, come and just to say thank you. Thank you. There's no catch. I've never said I want your first salary. I've never said what. No, just come and say thank you. And yes, a token of appreciation will be appreciated because the muti that was used to you, it was really muti. That's why you are working today. That's why you got that promotion. That's why you're out of that trouble. Just come back and say thank you. It's up to you. I just thought I should tell you guys because you know what, we have a problem because when a person goes to a healer, ayofuna usizo, isono, they're very humble, they're down to earth. Yeah, they are down to earth. Lalela, you can ask them to go and get a sperm of an ostrich, they'll go and find it because of they want help. But as soon as a person got help, as soon as a person he's happy with whatever that they have, they disappear. Why? No, you can't do that, guys. So whoever, and it doesn't matter, I'm not talking about people only that came to Kokobatini Mbata for help. No, I'm talking about anywhere where you went, just go. Why suddenly, hey, go, it's so far. Why suddenly it's far? Huh? It was near when you needed help. Now it's far. Now you are busy. Huh? Remember that when you wanted to leave that job, you are able to take a leave, unpaid day off, just to come to that healer and get help. Now you can't. And as soon as you lose that job, you'll want to go back to the same healer. Let me tell you the biggest secret that other healers, they will not tell you. Not because of they are cruel, but because of they want to make you feel it. Uguti, not we feel a pain. If you go to a healer and you ask for help and you don't pay, then you lose that help that they gave you. Then you go the second time. When they say to you, don't worry, I will help you, I forgive you, they are lying to you. They are lying to you. Whatever that you are going to get is not going to assist you. It's not going to assist you. You are inviting frustrations after frustrations why they did give you before. The first time around, they gave you the right thing. The second time around, we are showing you, Oguti, Nati, we are human. We close. Okay, maybe let me speak for myself. Because I've learned to do that. I can't come to countries like this, far, leaving everything, everybody that I care about. My son needs me. My son needs me. My son is in the age whereby he needs me as a father. And I'm not there. I'm busy going up and down. I'm not here for my son to get Muti for my son. No. I'm here for the nation, for my calling. But I'm not going to sit down and allow my calling to be dragged as if I did not do any effort for me to deliver what was asked for. Never. Khohlwa hambi yolala. Because it's easier for us to go to a healer to ask for whatever help. But as soon as we got it, we forget. Omunye ke wathi kimi, hayi gogo, actually by the time I came to you, I can see ukuthi things were fine. It's just that I was not sure. Yeah, but I just came just to say hi. And then I say hi. Then she left. She came back 3 months later or so. She was complaining, Gogo, things are not well. I said, go where you said you found help at. They will assist you. I don't have help for you. I've never helped you before. Why must I help you now? Who I am to help you now, if I've never helped you before? Who I am? Why to believe in me only now? It doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like that. Guys, I'm suffering from gout. And me having to sit for 56 hours in and out, another 56 hours going back, compromising my own health for nothing. Call me whatever you want to call me. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So I'm here in Jamaica. As I've said, remember the video that I've done. A lot of stuff, it's available in South Africa. This is Muti that you can also find in South Africa. This one, if you can see it very well, you find it in South Africa. If you can look at it very well, you can find it in South Africa. Let's come here. This one you can also find in South Africa. This one we use the roots of it. I'm not going to teach people who don't know about Muti so that they can rob people. There's this other one that I want to show you. It's not far from here. There's this one with a pink flower. This one, this is Muti as well, that we can also find in South Africa. As I've said, that if you come to these countries, the only difference is that we teach each other a different formula. You see this one, this one. You see the fruit, what comes to. You see, there's something inside here. There's something inside here. Okay, there is it. There's something, yes, there is it. This thing, it helps with kidneys. If you've got a kidney failure, or it's about to fail, not completely failed, this thing helps a lot. You see? So this stuff, you get it. That's why I'm saying that people will ask me to say, Gogo, so how do you carry the stuff to South Africa? This one, this is Muti as well. This one. We also use it in business. This is Muti as well. You see how it grows? You see, it was holding on this one, on a different one. You know, for it, this one is used a lot for promotions. Yeah, it has a milky wise thing inside. This one muthi is used for promotion. It doesn't go inside your mouth. No, it doesn't go inside your mouth. Yeah, there's a lot here that I've seen, but this is not your forest. It's a small thing. This is muthi as well. This one. This one. This one. You see, if ever your body, in isiZulu we said umzimba omubi. If ever your body it has a lot of sores and everything, it doesn't heal. This one it helps a lot. But this one is still very young. This one is still young. Still young, this one. There's a lot. So we can't come here and learn about these things and learn about these formulas just for us to get somebody will come and say, "Hi Gogo, I just came to say hi. I was passing by. I just came to say hi." No. Mina, I have clients that values my work so much that if the guy is in a conference in Durban and it's the end of the conference, before they go home, they will drive from Durban to Empangeni with a maize meal, with eggs, with whatever, just to say, guys, here's something for you guys to eat and for other people that comes there to eat. Do I eat that food? Yes, I do. Because I'm not rich. Because why? They appreciate. And the guys that are doing that, what I've picked up, it's not guys that they've once came and slept at home. They are not people that once came and ate at home, slept and ate at home. No, they've never. They have never. But they was once came for help, and they've seen how we cater for people. Then they appreciated that of what we do for others. Then they saw what there is a need for them to also come and put something on the table so that we can afford to still support those who cannot afford to buy food while they're waiting. Angibazi labo funana sala kwasendoda lesokhokho bathini bathi mavula kuvala emzini madoda u-anti usha. I'm still here in Jamaica. I'm having fun and I'm good. Thokozani.